Okay, so I've actually never baked a cake before, so to start baking I start easy with a quick bread like this one, and it actually reads with real banana, but on the recipe it does actually not say that one has to put a banana in. I did it anyways, and so mixing it's pretty easy. As you can see here, you really need just a cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, and 2 eggs. And then I just followed the instructions. So that's how the cake looks now. And now we put it out here, and then we shall see how it looks, but looks pretty nice in the baking pan. Well, okay, so that's how it actually looks when it comes out of the baking pan. And I just have one little problem. You see here, beside that, kind of looks okay. Well, there you have it, my first cake. So the next one I'm actually gonna do with grandma's recipe and not a ready mix, but I actually just wanted to test out how my baking pan actually works. And as I said, I have put in a real banana. So that's the part you see here, the real banana. Okay, so it tastes pretty good. The only thing I have to say, and it has a lot of banana flavor, if you like that. The only thing, it's maybe a little bit too dry for my taste, so I should have taken it out of the oven maybe 2 or 3 minutes earlier, but that's, I guess, up to one's liking.